What is going on YouTube? I'm back, Bryce Builds It All, your favorite aircraft mechanic, A&B, IA, and Part 147 instructor, and today I'm finishing the motorcycle project, the GS550. In the last video, I'll put up some time lapse. In the last video, I got almost every single thing done. All that's left now is to get the gas tank on it, to get the front fairing on it, to get some gas in it, and to try to run it for the first time. So I'm gonna put the gas tank on it. It's pretty easy, it just sits in and a bolt goes on, and then I will get back with you. Okay, I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna give it a little bit of something to help wake it up because it's, just been under construction, if you will. So I'm gonna give it a little bit of this. I might give it a whole bunch of priming kicks before I actually turn the ignition on to try to help circulate that oil. I haven't decided yet. I might just spray a little of this in it. I am gonna kick it. I don't wanna use the button just because I have a very small battery in there right now, and I think kicking it'll probably be better. Let's see how this goes. Wide open. All right, let's push in the ignition. I'll just see if it does crank. Yep. You know what? Come on, baby, you can do it. Give it a little bit more. All right, baby, you got this. You can do it. Oh, come on now. Okay. She's coughing. I'll be back in a minute. Bro, I'm such a goober. Literally all I had to do was turn the idle screw up. I couldn't figure out why it wasn't running. Now it's running great. So I'm gonna go ahead and test the charging system, the lights, all that kind of stuff, and let it sit here and get warm, let it do a heat cycle, if you will. The final pieces are on. Let's let all these cloud covers and storms clear off, and I'm gonna go and do a reveal. So there you go, everyone. The GS550 project is finally done. That last piece of film I took about me doing the reveal was actually several weeks ago. Things got busy. We went to the Hill Country Rally for Kids, as I do every year. I had an SD card issue. The SD card that I took corrupted, so I didn't get any footage from that. So I'm actually now using my old SD card, which is really small. So I have to, watch how much I'm filming on it. But there you go. She's done. I'm excited to have it done. I wish I had a better reveal for it or of it at the show. The show was a blast. It always is. But probably going to do a few more motorcycles or something in the future, but I'm so glad to finally kind of have this thing knocked out. I would be lying to you if I told you it was perfect. There are a couple things it needs. I got to tune the carburetors. I got one of my floats is sticking, so I have to make sure I turn the fuel off so it doesn't leak all over the place. So I got to fix that. Like I said, there's 2-3 little things here and there that need resolved, but it's finally done and I can actually ride it. And I haven't had a rideable motorcycle in some time. All that's left is to go take it to the DMV, register it, get it titled, sink those carbs. I'm gonna unlower it. I had lowered it for the show, and I just don't like it. It's bottoming out in the back, so we're gonna solve that problem. We're not gonna lower it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave us a like, leave us a comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, go build something and be easy. All right, it is officially the morning of the Hill Country Rally for Kids, and I am up at my parents' house. I love it out here. It's absolutely beautiful. But look at this dude. That's one of their dogs. And then where's the other one? They have a bloodhound. Can't see me because of the sun, but they have a bloodhound named Winchester. Oh, I almost fell over. It's Winchester. Look at him. If that ain't the best name for a bloodhound you've ever heard.